This is a common problem with higher refrigerators. The cause is a failure in the power supply board. The repair is easy and only a few cents. It can clearly be seen that the capacitors are worn out. They are swollen externally. Since it is difficult to check the capacitance of capacitors at home, even if only one is blown, replace all those in the same circuit with it. Buy new capacitors with the same values and replace them. All done.